Good night, teacher and classmates. Today I will answer the activity question. First question. How do you see the future of your planet? I believe that the future is increasingly uncertain. Global warming, environmental damage, and the environmental pollution increase day by day. The impact of economic activities, agriculture, industrialization, and the lack of culture of humanity made to think that tomorrow is going to be complicated. At present, the scarcity of natural resources is uncertain part of the planet, which from my point of view is worrying. The second question, how to mitigate environmental damage, I think they can be mitigated by applying policies and laws that strongly punish environmental damage to both people and industries. Also take preventive actions against the behavior of people in terms of the impact generated by human activities in the environment. However, it is necessary to promote a culture of preservation because if people do not change their habits, there could be no tomorrow. Thank you very much.